In this video, we'll label a kidney diagram that shows how the body balances blood pH. We'll do it step by step, use the labels provided, and explain why each label belongs where it does. We'll also mention which labels are not used. Let's begin. Here are the labels that are provided in the prompt. Not all of them will be used. We'll scan through them quickly, then build the diagram and place the correct labels in the correct locations. Now let's build the base diagram. We'll draw a blood vessel on the left, a kidney tubule on the right, and two special cells in the middle called intercalated cells. We'll then label the parts. Let's start labeling the diagram. First, the left box is the blood vessel. The right box is the filtrate inside the tubule. The two circles in the middle are the intercalated cells. The upper one is type A, and the lower one is type B. Now we will add arrows to show what each cell does. Type A cells help when blood pH is too low, meaning blood is too acidic. They secrete hydrogen ions into the tubule and reabsorb bicarbonate into the blood. Type B cells do the opposite when blood pH is too high. They secrete bicarbonate into the tubule and reabsorb hydrogen into the blood. Next, let's label when each cell becomes active. Type A cells help when blood pH is decreasing, meaning more acidic. Type B cells help when blood pH is increasing, meaning more basic. Now let's add the flow direction of filtrate and urine. The tubule side is the input and output of fluid. At the bottom of the tubule, we can label it as urine, which is the final output. Now let's connect the pH change to real-life contributing factors. Vomiting causes a loss of acid from the stomach, so it tends to increase blood pH. A vegetarian diet or antacids can also increase blood pH by reducing acids. When blood pH increases, type B cells become active to lower it. On the other hand, when blood pH decreases, type A cells become active to raise it. Notice that not every label was used directly in the diagram. For example, words like balance mechanism, H decreases, or GI tract can be explained verbally rather than placed as a label. The key labels used are the ones that connect the diagram to the specific movements of hydrogen and bicarbonate. Let's quickly summarize the key labels and the logic behind them. Final recap. When blood pH drops, type A cells secrete hydrogen and reabsorb bicarbonate. When blood pH rises, type B cells secrete bicarbonate and reabsorb hydrogen. This balance mechanism helps keep blood pH stable. We used the correct labels in the diagram, and we explained which labels were not needed directly. Thanks for watching, and keep practicing your labeling.